people who were detained at that time. So these were really patriots. If you look at Nyayo, from a very humble background, you go to Sacho up there in the hills, look at where he came from. And he managed to come out from there and join the nationalist movement and become the second president of this country. It's a great thing. He came from poverty, just like Mzee Kenyatta also came from poverty. Jaramogi also came from poverty. So nobody can therefore talk about dynasty, talk about the family of Nyayo. What sort of dynasty? What did Moi inherit? Moi struggled and died the way he died. These children are also just struggling. They're Kenyans like anybody else. Just like Uhuru Kenyatta is also just a Kenyan. And Raila is also just a Kenyan. Well, why should somebody think that is more entitled to things in this country than Raila Odinga because he's son of Oginga Odinga? Or Gideon Moi because he's son of Moi? No, Gideon has a right like any other Kenyan to vie for any position that he wants in this country.